Hello friend, I hope you all are doing well in your preparation. In this tutorial, we solve a problem which is from thermodynamics and based on concept of heat and work. So I want you to note down this problem because it have asked in GATE 2006. So before going to solve this problem, let's understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. In the given question, there is a football which was inflated to gauge pressure of 1 bar, and at that point ambient temperature was 15 degrees Celsius. When the game started next day, the air temperature at the stadium was found 5 degrees Celsius. That's mean next day the temperature have dropped down and volume of football assume remain constant, which is equal to 2500 centimeter cube, and we have to find the amount of heat lost by air in the football and the gauge pressure at that point. We know the temperature difference is the main cause of heat transfer, so the heat from the air in the football transferred to the ambient, and here in this question we have to find that amount of heat lost and at that point gauge pressure. I hope you have understand till now. So keep watching till the end. At the end you will definitely able to solve this problem with very ease. So let's go for the solution. Here the gauge pressure is given, which is equal to 1 bar, and we know friend 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. So the value of gauge pressure is equal to 100 kilopascal. Initial temperature T1 is given in the question, which is 15 degrees Celsius, and to know it in Kelvin we have to add 273, which is equal to 288 Kelvin. In the same way we will calculate the ambient temperature T2, which is equal to 278 Kelvin, and volume is given, which is 2500 centimeter cube, and we know friend 10 to power minus 2 meter is equal to 1 centimeter, so it is equal to 2500 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. Since gauge pressure is measured with reference of atmospheric pressure, so the value of absolute pressure is equal to the sum of gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure, and here absolute pressure initially is equal to gauge pressure initially plus atmospheric pressure. Gauge pressure initially is 100 kilopascal and atmospheric pressure is equal to 101.32 kilopascal. So the initial absolute pressure is equal to 201.3 kilopascal, and our main aim is to calculate the heat loss, and we know friend the formula of heat loss is equal to mc delta T. Here temperature difference is known, a specific heat at constant volume we know, which is equal to 0.718 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and here mass is unknown. So to know the value of mass we will use the ideal gas equation, which is PV is equal to mRT. Here pressure is known, volume is known, R is characteristic gas constant, and temperature is known. So from this equation we will get the value of mass, which is equal to 6.089 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So to know the heat loss we simply put it here, and heat loss by the air in the football is obtained by putting these all known value, which is equal to 0.0437 kilojoule, and in the joule it is equal to minus 43.7 joule. Since it is heat lost by the system, so it is with negative sign, and we know friend at constant volume P1 divided by T1 is equal to P2 divided by T2. If you don't know this relation, then no problem, it is derived from the PV is equal to mRT. Since mass, characteristic gas constant, volume is constant, so pressure is directly proportional to temperature, and from this relation we have got this relation. So from this equation we will calculate the final absolute pressure, P2, which is equal to 194.32 kilopascal. And according to the question, we have to find the gauge pressure at final state. So by using this relation, absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. We will calculate the final gauge pressure, which is equal to 93 kilopascal, and it is in the bar is equal to 0.93 bar. So this is our second answer and this is our first answer. So guys, I hope you understand and enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any doubt or query related to this, then feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.